everyone, welcome back to my videos and my garden. I'm the garden lady, and I want to talk to you about garden tools. Many years ago when I first started gardening, I would get tools at the dollar store or anywhere I could find cheap ones, and they worked for a while. You know, they did okay. Usually after a season I had to throw them out. So my husband got me these. These are called Radius. Hope you can see the name. And I am not sponsored by them. I just think these tools are amazing. They work really well. They're tough. They've never like broken on me or come loose or anything. Because in the past, you know, I've had tools like this that I pull and the handle flies off and it's like ah. So my husband surprised me with these. I know I have a few more. You should look into them. I'm pretty sure you can buy them online, but they're not cheap. But you know, if you're a gardener that is always gardening, they're worth it. They will make your life easier. So at the end of the season, I clean them up nice because this is stainless steel, so it's not going to rust. I clean them up and then I put them away in my greenhouse, and they're ready for next year. So you should give them a try. Thought I'd give you a little look. This one's my favorite, but I do use this one often. So Radius hand tools. Give them a try. I think you'll be impressed. Bye.